Hello, my name is James Holloway and I head up the Network Operations Centre at CDW. Part of my role at CDW is to manage a large team of 80 plus co-workers, which is made up of analysts, second line engineers and third line subject matter experts. If IT support and services is an area you're interested in, then I'd like to take this opportunity to provide you with a brief overview of what you can do to get a head start and make sure your CV ends up on the yes pile rather than the maybe pile. The IT journey for most candidates starts typically on service desk, and this is where analysts take incoming calls from customers and provide a level of first line support. When we're recruiting for these roles, we look for all the typical qualities such as good communication skills, being professional, positive and enthusiastic. However, your CV will really stand out if you've taken time to learn some of the most common end user platforms like Windows and Apple operating systems or tools like Excel, Word and PowerPoint. On top of this, it can be really advantageous if you understand some of these server operating systems, email and basic networking. In the Network Operations Centre where I work, and this is the same for most large MSPs, teams are broken down into technology towers where engineers can learn and focus on specific infrastructure components such as storage, networking, cloud and applications. When starting in IT, it's good to have a basic understanding of these components and how they link together. This will also allow you to find out which one interests you the most and the one you'd like to pursue. Now, I appreciate it can be challenging to gain this type of knowledge when you are starting on the journey, but there are a wealth of books and free downloadable software out there that is easily accessible. In most cases, just showing you've taken the time to learn and understand these technologies can go a long way with the recruiter. Finally, proving you've taken the time to learn some of these core components is excellent. But if you can go that extra mile and back this up with some basic qualifications, it will really set you apart from the rest of the field. Certifications such as a CompTIA or a Microsoft MTA or a CCNA will catapult you up the job ladder. Thank you for your time. Good luck.